Hey, what's up? It's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a little get ready with me, and I have some face masks going on right now that we need to get rid of. So for that, I'll be using the Sima exfoliating towel to get my skin back to feeling fresh. This towel is great because it has two sides. One is slightly rough for a deep cleanse and getting rid of your dead skin, and the other side is smooth for a gentle finish. You can use a towel as a full size, but personally, I like to fold it for a better grip, kind of like a loofah, but way softer texture on the skin. There are multiple ways on how to use this towel, but I like to make the bubbles with the towel because it makes it really well. And then I just grab them and apply it on my face with my hands, and then I like to go in with the exfoliating towel. And trust me, it might seem like it's a little bit rough at first, but it's actually super gentle. After using this, my skin feels insanely smooth, like baby soft smooth, you know? So now, let's dive into skincare. Today, I'm actually gonna go hang out with my friends. So let's get ready together. So before we get started, I got my package from Yesstyle. Again, I know. So we're gonna unbox it together in case I wanna use any of these products today. First, I got the Astura moisturizing cream. I heard so many good things about this. Like, it was sold out last time, so I couldn't get it, but I finally got it. I heard this like popping off right now. So let's see what the hype is. And I got this serum from Grwm. This one my aunt recommended for me and she said it was really good, so I'm gonna try it. I'm restocking on my Mixun Bean Cream and a blush from Peri Pera and Crystal Glam Tint from Clio. Yeah, I didn't get too many beauty products because I got a lot of clothes. So I'll show you guys that afterwards too. You know what, I wanna try these two today. Let me first put on toner. Very pretty. Dang, one pump was a lot. Oh wow, it smells really good. Okay, next with the cream. It's scentless and it's not as thick as I thought it would be, but it's very moisturizing. I like this. And let's moisturize our lips. First up with the sunscreen. Now for the makeup, I'm gonna start with the Dustem Concealer. I'm gonna cover my problem areas and hide my imperfections. And then blend it in. Like if you see right now, there's a little bit of discoloration, but it's okay because we're gonna cover everything and balance it out with the foundation. Okay. Wait, you could tell I had a really good skincare routine today because the absorbency, how it's blending it in, it's actually crazy. Like, I'm kind of shocked. Well, I know my skin is gonna be flawless today. Now let's balance all this craziness out with the foundation. I really like this foundation because it's really thin and it spreads really easily. Very like watery type, you know? And this has SPF 45, so it's even better. I'm like really lightly tapping it because I don't want to ruin anything like underneath that I layered. Wow. Flawless. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but my skin is skinny. Like, wow. Wow, this is like one of the best skin prep I've like ever had. Oh my gosh. I did not expect this today. But I'm gonna kill this glow because I gotta set this with a powder because I'm gonna apply a whole bunch of powders now. Powdering is necessary for me because my products are all powder. But if you're using like a liquid concealer and like liquid blush, then powdering up won't be too much of a priority. But first of all, let me get out of this Mona Lisa phase. And I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer shade Ebony. I've been using this for like years. I like memorize it to the core. More than natural, I want my eyebrows to be a little bit more defined than usual. So I'm gonna first outline the bottom and outline the top. Like that, and I'm gonna just fill it in. And then same thing to the other side. We're gonna brush this out so it'll be a little bit more natural. Okay, the skin prep was good for the skin, but not really for the eyebrows because it's moving quite a lot. And now with the blush, I'm debating over these two right now. I think I'm feeling a little bit more muted today. So I'm gonna use the Etude House blusher. Today I kind of want the emphasis on the side. And a big brush would have been better for this. Very natural, very cute. Wow. This skin prep is so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, got my blush. I'm debating if I want to put it on my chin or on my nose. I think today's chin. Now we're gonna shade. I'm gonna use the bottom one. I dab it so it doesn't scrape off like the products underneath. Today's makeup is going well. Okay. With the same color, I'm gonna contour my nose now. Starting with the tip of my nose. Did you see that? Gone. Same to the other side. Boom. Oh my gosh. Now I'm gonna contour my Cupid's bow and Yesstyle. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Yesstyle is a must. And now with the eyes, I'm gonna go with rom&nd today. I'm first gonna put this color all over. Very lightly, slightly. Yeah. And next we're gonna go with this color. And next, my usual, I'm gonna need my black. I'm gonna put that on my edges. On the bottom, I wanna add a little bit like orangey color. I actually wanna put the blush that I applied today. Just a little bit in the outer corner. I say like 1/3 of the bottom eye. Now with the eyeliner, I want my wings to fly today, okay? I'm gonna open my eyes, see where it's visible on the top. Now it's like this. So we're gonna outline the whole thing. And connect it to the back. Let's curl the eyelashes. I'm gonna start curling this. I'm debating if I want to put falsies or not today. I think I'm vibing more with the full monolid look instead of like a bigger eye. Are you guys seeing this fully curled eyelashes? Like, non-existing. Now let's go with the mascara. Let me reapply my eyeliner. Okay, done with the eyelashes. They're looking better than I thought, which is very surprising. So now let me go with the under eyelashes. Now with the under eye glitter, I'm gonna go with these color. On the 1/3 of the under eye and inner corners. The difference that the inner corner like glitters make is insane. I feel like I don't even need a highlighter, so I'm just gonna leave it like this today. And with the lip, I kind of like how it's very nudie right now, so I'm just gonna go with the full nude lips. Let me outline it first with a nudie lip liner. Like, you see what I mean? It looks like my lip color. And from here, I'm gonna apply the melting balm. Perfect. Exactly what I wanted. Amazing, amazing. Wait, I feel like my hair's gonna be so flat from this. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Yep, the hair is flat. Ugh. Let me go do something about this. Okay, before I do my hair, I want to figure out my outfit first so I know what kind of hair I want to do for today. And like I told you guys, I got a few clothing from Yesstyle. I have all the links all down below, and I also have a discount code for you guys if you guys want to use it. But let me go grab them. Okay, first of all, I got this really cute like mini leather skirt, brown. And it's actually crazy because until like 2 weeks ago, it was like 100 degrees in California, but right now it's at 70s. Which is amazing. So this is gonna work out very well. And for the top, I'm either debating with like this beige, like brown tank top, padded, which is very nice, or this dark gray tank top, or just be more simple with the black off-shoulder long sleeve. So here's the skirt, very cute. And there's also like spandex under this, so that's very nice. But I realized it's really short. Like, it's really short. So I had to wear stockings inside so it could like not be too, I don't know, uncomfortable to look at. And here I'm gonna wear these shoes that I got from Yesstyle. Okay, now that I have stockings on, I feel like it would be kind of weird for me to wear this. So I'll probably go with this off shoulder. It's looking much better. Okay, I got my top on. Very cute. I think this fit is coming together. And I like how it's like asymmetrical on the bottom, so it's not like too boring. And even the off shoulder here, it's asymmetrical. And the little pinchings that they have here is putting my waist together. So I like the fit. It's nice. So honestly, a necklace, I think I will just go with this. And to make it more fancy, I feel like chains are a must. So I'm gonna... Cute! And for the hair, I actually got these ribbons. It might not be the vibe, but let's try it anyways. Very nice design. Well, I don't know how I feel about the bowls because it's really like not really my vibe. But I'm actually really late right now. I'm supposed to be there by 1, but it's 1. So I don't have time to redo my hair, so I'll just go like this. And if I don't like it, I'll just like tie it up or something. But this is the fit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was in any way, and this girl is so late, like always. I'll see you guys next time.